and welcome to Yummy Cooking with Payshintz. Today we're making chicken katsu, but we're gonna make a healthy chicken katsu. Is that possible? Well, kind of, sort of. We're gonna bake the chicken katsu. So it's gonna be easy, it's gonna be simple, and it's gonna be katsu-licious. All right, so let's get started. First, I'm making the tonkatsu sauce. It will be used as a dipping sauce for the chicken katsu. The flavor will be sweet and tangy. I have a chicken breast here, and I'm going to trim off the chicken tender from the breast. Now I'm gonna get my big heavy hammer and pound that baby down. This helps to tenderize the meat, and it cooks the breast evenly and fast. Turn the heat on medium. I'm going to toast the panko with a little oil. You can also use breadcrumbs. The reason why I'm toasting up the panko is to get a golden crispy effect without being deep fatty fried. Once it's all golden, set aside and cool. I have set up a dipping station. To the left, I have the flour, and I want to even it out in my pan. Then I'm going to add the salt and pepper. And once I do that, I want to just mix it all up to make sure it's evenly dispersed in the flour. The middle bowl is for our egg wash. And the reason why I have an egg wash is to help the panko stick to the meat. I have this in a 1, 2, 3 step order, starting with the flour. And then the egg wash. And finishing it off with the panko. It's time to bake up those big breasts in the oven. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and cook for a total of 15 minutes. After it has baked for 10 minutes, it's time to flip those breasts over and cook for the remaining 5 minutes. The chicken katsu is done, and I cooled it for 2 minutes. Cut the katsu in thin slices. This makes it easy to eat and grab. Our chicken katsu is ready, and I'm so excited to try it out. I already dressed it with our tonkatsu sauce, and it's ready to go. I would have to say, Katsu-licious. If you want to try a simple, easy, healthy recipe, try my chicken katsu. Alright, well thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.